Huge shout out to today's sponsor, Airsoft Pond from Florida. Use coupon code AZRIN at the checkout for a 10% off. Thank you guys. As the game starts, I make my rush to grab one of our pilots. Unfortunately, my POV GoPro hadn't started recording yet.
Which way do you want to go? Where you go? Whichever way you don't go. So left. I'll go right.
Although I originally planned to go right, we hit a stalemate, so I retreated and made my way to the eastern field.
Hey guys, you ready to move? Where is it? Is it?
Our descent through the field was uneventful, but upon entering the tree line we were met with a fierce resistance.
Maybe not, maybe not. Oh. That's it. Watch left. Can we get up to that wall right there? You see that wall? To your right in front of you? To your like 11, yeah. Go, 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 go. I'm with you. Ooh. Where was that?
Right here.
Fuck it.
There's a player dug into our left, so I pop a smoke to flush him out, or at least provide us some cover. Unfortunately, the wind picked up and pushed the smoke away. We'll still make do.
We need balloon brought up. Move it up. Nope. Right. Well, we do. I don't think with us though. Watch to the left. Watch to the left. Look, right there.
There's a window.
She's hit. How to get him out, guys? Red. Can we rush that? There's a guy at the wall right there. Can we get someone to rush him quick? If we can capture it. I just need someone to rush him. And this game's over.
Where exactly?
There's a wall right there, straight there. He's at it on the left side. He's got me pinned. If I peek again, I'm hit.
I put down suppressive fire and overextend to hold the angle, keeping him behind the wall while my ally moves up the eastern border. This new angle opened up an opportunity to take down a set of reinforcements.
Hey, can you get that balloon over here on this side? Because this is our run route. Just get on this side of the bush. Quick, 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 quick. Okay. It's just safer. When you run, you don't have to go in that bush.
I can still shoot.
Yes, yes. Whoa, something. Do you see that? Where? That just like... Someone is like arcing them. Hey, watch your left, that wall. That wall straight there. There's a guy at it, I'm pretty sure. Wait. Hey, he's hit. This our time. Move. Okay, move.
With the wall to our left finally cleared, I get excited and push too fast and am taken down.
He's hit! Jesus. Medic! Have you been hit?
An ally takes down the guy who got us, and our medic survived the push, so after a medic timer we are ready to go for the rendezvous.
Should I go?
With this push, the game would come to an end, and thanks to our medic Mackenzie getting Dylan and I back into the game. Honestly, I couldn't have done it without so many valuable teammates that all played their part in making this victory possible. From Jesse's rush into the tree line to Adam's takedown of the guy that stopped our first rush, they all worked together to see it through to the end. If you liked the video, consider leaving a like or a comment below, and if you're new here, please subscribe as it really helps the channel. And until next time, stay awesome, and I hope to see you on my field.